them niggas is mad at me. So I walk around with it cause they plotting and I keep that bag on me. I was a clown to them hating niggas, yeah, they used to.
What's good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So we are gonna get right into this look. I'm going to be showing you guys what I got from Sephora and Ulta. I'm doing a little makeup haul and I'm also doing a look, and I'm going to show you guys a little bit of the products that I'm using. Before we get into this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below, hit that bell next to it, and get acquainted with your girl. Add my social media. I'm going to leave everything in the description box down below, and let's get right into this video. Alright, y'all, so I already got started on one eye. We're gonna get started on the other eye, and we just gonna do a look, which is this beautiful look. So I'm feeling this look already. I was really unsure as to what I was gonna do, but this is what I got. I'm using, of course, my ghetto little Amazon palette. You see it's all busted and beat up, but that's okay because it serves me right. Okay, so this brush is booming, okay? I got this brush from Ulta Beauty. Get the fuck off my eye, bitch. Alright, so let's talk about some of the goodies that I got, because I got some cute stuff. What I did get was this Morphe brush. I got the Morphe M173 brush. I believe it's a fluffy concealer brush, or it's a concealer blending brush. I'm not too sure, but listen, this brush is a bomb, okay? I got this from Ulta Beauty. I think it was like $7. Like on IG videos, I be seeing YouTube videos how girls use this type of brush to blend out their under their brows, and they blend out the top of their brows, and I did it today, and listen, it was actually magic. I got the Morphe brow cream, and I got that from Ulta Beauty, and that cream, listen honey, I love my brows today. I'm feeling them. If you feeling them, let me know in the comment section down below. So I'm gonna take this dark shade right here, doing my nails. They're hideous, but I'm going to be doing my nails probably today or tomorrow. But I'm taking this dark shade here, and I'm going to put that in my crease. And what I like about this Amazon palette, I call it the Amazon palette. It's like a Morphe knockoff. What I like about this Amazon palette is that these colors are very pigmented, and there's not, I'm not gonna say there's no fallout, because there is. I just don't ever notice, because I guess because I pat the product in first and then I blend. But this eyeshadow palette is actually very lit, and I'm actually gonna order another one. And I'm blending this upwards into my crease. I'm going to take this purple here, right underneath it, and I'm going to blend out that purple. I'm gonna pat it in just like I did this purple, and then I'm going to blend it out. So when that's blended out enough, I'm going to take this pink right here, and I'm going to blend out that purple, because that's a little too much. And of course I start by tapping. Yes, you see them blends coming together. It's over, beloved. So first I'm gonna clean up my lid so I can do my cut crease. It makes it a bit easier when it comes to having the white eyeshadow like really stick, and it doesn't turn the color of the eyeshadow. I am using the Morphe M167 brush. What I really like about this brush is that it's really good at getting into the crease, and it's, when I'm smoothing it across, it's like a smooth finish. It doesn't like stop in the middle of my lid. It just really gives me a smooth, clean finish. So I really like this brush. I got the crease, and I'm going to take this white eyeshadow right here, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. So here's why you want to clean off your lid before applying shadow, because even if I wasn't doing white, if I was doing a pink, you don't want the pink to look dark, so because the purple is dark. Cleaning up the makeup before cutting the crease really benefits, because this eyeshadow is coming on here white as ever. I'm going to take my micellar water, and I'm going to clean up the sides. So I'm gonna do my mascara, my lashes, and I'm gonna come back on camera, and we're gonna get into the products that I got from Ulta and Sephora. Alright, so I decided to do my face off camera, and I finished up my eyes and everything. I did a pop and perfect highlight. I'm really feeling it, and I'm going to do my lip. I'm gonna show you guys what I used on my face, like stuff that I got from Sephora. Well, no, I got this from Ulta. So I used this Urban Decay primer as my primer, all-nighter face primer, long way foundation grip. I also used the Fenty Beauty setting powder. I got this from Sephora. I also got the lip gloss. I got the color Fenty Glow. So from Ulta, I got the ColourPop liquid liner. I got it in white. I had swatched it in the store, but I feel like it has a very nice finish. Like, it sticks. So this is how it looks swatched, and I feel like it won't crack, but I have to try a look to see if it's going to start cracking or anything. I got some Maybelline Lasting Fix Spray. I got some concealers. LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I use those two colors, Fawn. I use Fawn and Warm Honey to do this under eye look. I feel like it looks really polished and finished, and it gave me very good coverage. I mean, I love LA Girl, so you can't tell me nothing. Also, I got a couple of brushes. I'm trying to find them. I got the Morphe 165 angle brush, and I love this brush so much. It gave me a very good precision on my brows. I was able to get hair-like strokes in the front of them. So I'm really feeling how that brush put my brows on. You feel me? And I also got the Morphe. I got the Morphe M173 brush. I really like this brush. It's a fluffy brush, good for blending concealers. I also got the Morphe brow cream. I got the color Java, and I also use this in this look. I really like how it glides on. It's a very good formula. I got this brush, this e.l.f. brush from Ulta. It's a precision sculpting brush, so I can't wait to use that. So I'm liking that. I also got Real Techniques sponges. I use one of the sponges to do this look and everything. So that's what I got from Ulta and Sephora. That's my makeup haul, y'all. I'm hyped because I didn't have setting powder for that long, and I didn't have no lip liner either. But I want to do this lippy with you guys. I got NYX Suede matte lip liners, and I got the colors Club Hopper, which I'm about to use, and I also got Nude Truffle, which I'm going to try when I do another nude look. But for right now, I'm going to use my NYX lip liner, and I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty lip gloss. I'm going to see what type of combo I get, because I've never used that lip gloss, and I actually never used this lip liner, so I'm going to see how I like it.